Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to a Ramadan reminder from Taleem Institute. As we all know, Ramadan is a month of fasting, the month in which we increase our a'mal and we try to get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One of the actions in which we should try to increase in the most is making dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It comes in a narration, إن لله عتقاء كل يوم وليلة يعني في رمضان لكل عبد منهم دعوة مستجابة. Comes in a narration that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala every day and every night, He has selected people. He has people in which He gives them freedom from Jahannam. He gives them freedom from the fire of hell. And every single one of these people, they are given a dua in which they are guaranteed to be accepted. So we should hope to be from amongst those people and constantly make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The more we make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the more chances that our dua will be accepted. And in the blessed month of Ramadan, there is immense mercy that comes in this month. So may Allah ta'ala give us the tawfiq to raise our hands and ask from Him for all our needs. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Ramadan reminders. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.